Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree, been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree.
Hi and welcome back to my channel. So we're now on week 3 of the Glossybox advent calendar, and as per the last couple of weeks, I'm going to show you what I received in this week's boxes, and then we're going to give them a little try out. Well, some of them, there were quite a few beauty products in this week, so I can't really try those out on camera. So I'll just kind of show you and tell you my thoughts on those. Right, so day 12, I got this is quite small, I'm not going to lie, the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I have tried this out twice and I have to say it is really good. It left my skin really nice and hydrated and really fresh the next morning. And it smells, well, when I take the cap off, smells really, really nice. It really does smell like watermelon, as you'd expect, but yeah, it's a really lovely smell. And it's got AHA and hyaluronic acid in it, which, as we all know, is really good for our skin. So yeah, really like that. There's, even though it's quite small, I'd say there's probably enough in there for about 5 treatments. And then day 13, I got the Good Genes Glycolic Acid Treatment by Sunday Riley. So again, this is a mini, but yeah, I have used this once. I'd say there's about 3 treatments worth in here, and again, I do like a nice sort of exfoliating acid treatment, I have to say. I do them sort of twice a week anyway. Normally the Wishful one, I love that one. But yeah, I have to say, yeah, pretty good. Yeah, I would probably recommend this one. And Sunday Riley is quite a good brand as well. Day 14, I got the E-Cooking hand cream. So that's this one. And this is quite a decent size. And there's 30ml in here. And we all need hand cream at the moment, don't we? Blimmin' alcohol gel is drying everyone's hands out. So yeah, this is the organic apricot kernel and almond oil. So I haven't actually even opened this one. Ooh. Doesn't actually have a scent. Well, I can't smell it anyway. No, I would say that's pretty much scent free. We'll try a bit. Oh, I can smell it now. How weird. When it was just like come out the tube, I couldn't smell anything. It's like when you rub it in, it just releases the smell. It soaks in really nicely. And yeah, it doesn't leave it with a greasy feel or anything. So yeah, that seems really nice as well. Then day 15, I was really surprised at this and quite excited as well. The Fenty Beauty Matchsticks Shimmer Skin Stick. So it's basically a highlighter. And yeah, highlight, blush and enhance. This is in the shade Trippin'. And it's like this. And then we're looking at this sort of colour here, which I have to say, when I looked at it, I thought it was probably a bit dark for me, but I have, as you can see, I have slightly swatched it, and again, things aren't really showing up on my pale skin at the moment, but it's got kind of like a peachy shade to it, so I reckon once it's blended it might actually be quite nice, but we will find out soon. Day 16, I got the Bare Minerals Prime Time Primer, which I have to say I've used this many times in the past, and I do actually really rate this. I really get on with it. It's kind of like a silicone-y feeling primer, and it does make your makeup last really well, and I can say that from past experience. So yeah, we'll be trying that out today as well. Day 17, I got the Body Shop Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask. So I've heard quite a few good things about this, so I've not tried this yet. I'm really excited. I only got it yesterday, so I'm really excited to try this. And now I've got a hand cream on, I can't open anything. Yeah, it just kind of smells quite muddy. like, you know, you'd expect from a charcoal mask, but yeah, as I say, it's supposed to be really good, so I'm quite chuffed that I got a sample of that. As I said before, it is a small pot, 15ml. Looking at it, I reckon 2 treatments you'll get out of that. And then today, which is the 18th, I got the Sleek Makeup Loose Pigment in the shade Trance, which is this one here. So a really nice kind of goldy colour, very Christmassy. So yeah, there's everything, and well, as I say, I've only got really Fenty matchstick, the primer and the loose pigment that I can try out today. So that's what we're going to do. Right, so first up I'm going to go in with the primer, and this is, again, this is quite a diddy one. I don't know, 7ml. Three treatments probably you'll get out of this. So I'm just gonna pop. Ew. Right, so I'm just gonna pop a blob on the back of my hand. So as you can see, it's like a silicone-y, like clear formula. We got a bit too much here actually. I'm just gonna, the full size one actually comes with a pump, which is a lot easier because you can kind of gauge how much you're putting on. Whereas I find when they're in a squeezy tube, you tend to take too much. Right, so I'm just gonna rub that in. Okay. So I don't know if you can see on camera, but this kind of gives you a really nice canvas to work on. It's very pore filling, and I like the way it soaks in quite quickly, and it doesn't really give that greasy feel behind either. So it is actually a really nice primer, and it is really nice to work with. So there's that on my skin. So the next thing I'm going to do is pop on my base. So all we've got left is highlighter and a loose pigment. The loose pigment I'm going to put on my eyes, so I'm probably going to do my eyeshadow up until that point. Yeah, so I'm pretty much going to go away and do the rest of my face, and then I'm going to come back, finish off my eyes and do highlighter. Right, okay, so there's most of it done. So the next thing I'm going to do is on my eyeshadow, I'm going to go in, I think on this inner part of my eye, I'm going to go over that kind of burnt orange colour with this loose pigment. And you see how it works. This is where I pour it all over the floor. Right, it's like a little salt shaker. That's quite cute. What I think I'm going to do is take the lid of my little brush cleaner pot and pop a tiny bit in there. I'm just going to take, let's clean that off first. I'm just going to take my pencil brush and I'm just going to put it in. It's quite nice. And then I'm just going to see what it's like. That is so pretty, especially over that colour. Do you know, I've used the tiniest sprinkling from that pot. It really is, you know, well, it's a pigment, but it really is pigmented. It goes with that colour really nice. This is actually, I'm kind of mid filming, I'm doing the two at once. This eyeshadow is the new Sunset Beach palette from Primark, which I think will be, that'll be Monday's video if you want to see what I used to create this look. Yeah, I'm really liking that. That's a really nice pigment. Okay, definitely keeping him. Right, so the next thing we're going to try is the Fenty highlighter. So we've got this one. Never used a stick highlighter before, so this is a completely new experience for me. So I'm just going to whack it on my cheeks where I normally would.
Only you and me. I'll be making plans, make you understand. I'm not gonna play it safe.
Ooh, that's quite nice. Okay. Do you know, bearing in mind I thought it was going to be really dark, it's actually not. It looks like it'd be one of them tones that's it's got quite a few colours in it, so it'd be quite multi-tonal. So I'd imagine it'd suit most skin tones. Yeah, I'm quite liking that. Right, okay, so I'll pop some lippy on and sort my hair out and then I'll be back. So here we go, here's the finished look. I have to say, I mean, the primer I've used many times before, so I know I like it, and I know that my makeup will last all day with that primer on. The Sleek Pigment, absolutely lovely, I love that. I reckon you could put that over quite a few colours and you get a nice like colour shift in it, and it would look really, really pretty. And the highlighter was really good. Yeah, I've got nothing bad to say about any of these products that I've tried today. I'm really happy with all of them, which is really great. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and ding the bell for future notifications. I usually upload on a Monday, Wednesday and a Friday at around 6 PM give or take. So I hope to see you there. Thanks for watching. Bye.